What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. We have Raja. I get beaten by Shibada over the Foxy or over a conversation or a link up with Raja and Ivany had, and Ivany had this cheese. Raja I kinda tell her, I say, yo, don't go that way because whatever, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna share Shibada at the sim, and I think this Ivany too. Also, we have cute boss, run out pan Macy. You know what I mean? Because of the whole situation with cheese and how much other person. Alright, my people, so me not there have to judge who wrong, who right, who good, who bad. Yes, sir, me I say because you see, context matters in every situation. You see, me I say, and look here, if you never did it, you can't just use hearsay and just, you know what I mean? You have to do your own research certain way. So when cute boss I say, this man in a vibes with much people, I can them come attack him and him have to defend himself. You see what I say? So you go on. We also have TT, Jagger, Annie, and a woman scene. So basically the woman has say TT need to apologize to people, and that alone kinda gonna make things smooth with Annie and her son certain way. So we are gonna get into that also. So these are the things we have to share with Ono. Me no know if me left out nothing. So make we get in with people and maybe add more things as we go on.
Nah, do it. I'm not going to do it. You don't know say your baby innocent when you're class other people pitney. You ever hear none of my pitney disrespect you yet? No. But you get up just because me ask if you offer the fear and you send blood clot or $20 and me send it back. You vex. Me not hungry. Me give you more than $20 girl when you in a detention center. Every time you beg me give $50. Every time you beg me give $50, so you want to style me with $20. That's why I look for you as a not no cutting. You are nobody to me, girl. The whole I know me help a rise against blood clot me.
Everyone have fun. I don't know, but I mean, it's just awesome.
Go suck your mama and go clean up the ears where you have on the holes. I wonder why your pussy can't stop stink so. Because them say when you have HIV or any one of them things there, syphilis come behind it. Who went time to test the HIV? Who not test the other things? Oh. Clean blood gang me in a bad blood gang. Bad blood gang you in a dirty Ivan, right? For you page and talk about me Ivan, at least me not sell out my blood clot soul and my pussy hole. At least me not sell out my soul, my pussy hole or my body hole to get a cent. The way all you want it all. The people them on the media spoil you like a little child. Give you everything where you own in America. And you still go hard. For go out of the way, if you go sell out your passage. That's why your blood clot flirt to the boyfriend, Virgin. And catch the blood clot thing. Yeah, man. Go sit down now with it. Remember, we catch you. We catch you cry and nobody no lick you. Alive, you're there, pan. We know it's sitting danced up in your blood. I want it lick down your blood clot pan live, and that I want it though. Cause the thing say AIDS, I want nice something for ramp with your mama. You suck cocky, mama never tell us if you put a rubber on the willy. Eh? Every man you fuck without condom. Yeah, you did have to catch AIDS. You did have to catch AIDS. Oh. You do a blood clot test and blame me up. Because the whole right now, me not come off of that till me see a negative for your test. Throw out your rap sheet. Nasty fuck out, Brenda. Throw out your rap sheet because them say you're sick. Oh. All I know we have AIDS, you know, they on the media torment people with clean blood. When no matter if you go in one little place by yourself. The month of Batman them will fuck you, that's why you did have to catch AIDS. And that the man say you give him the AIDS. I know him give you, you know. The man say you give him the AIDS. You and him fuck and then 6 month time, no, him a go do a work something so him know. Cause not even that check up on himself. Him through him work, If them have to do a random blood test and them little things, the piss test, AIDS, all different type of tests. And when them go do it, him come back with the big HIV. You understand? I cause concern that she is. Oh, and then the man say afterwards, 6 months after, him wife do the test and she positive too. So what you said to me, the man say him never have nothing until he mix with you. Ivany come out, come talk about that. No, remember we catch up on live, I cry. Emotional damage in the blood clot. Yeah. So you gonna kill half King over there with the AIDS. King go do a test. King go test your blood clot self and come show we. Cause you maybe have a strong immune system as thin as you look. Your immune system can strong. Yeah. One go do a test. Ivany, back to you. Do a test and let me have. If you do a test, if you do a test and it's a negative, I come out for your name. I still not gonna apologize, but I come out for your name. And if you don't do a test, I gonna ride it like a horse. Because that's some me get it, that's some me I sell it. Sick girl. I find a blood clot hospital, go sit down, you know. That's what you do. But you're there on blood clot, girl. No come for me. Oh, don't come for me. I never did come for you. Anything talk from the media we hear, we're going to talk. Just like how you don't say anything and talk to. So what I say, when I go for the goose, I go for the gander. Ivany, you stink. Remember me carry a nice smell than yours. You have a popular rotten scent where blood clot go round. The people them can identify your scent from afar. Just by explaining the scent, them can smell it and go so, think like 10 days cabbage water, Ivany. I just the truth. I have a problem with everything where people do, boy, yeah. And you now make sense, where you make sense. If you never have nobody for back you up, that's why I'm telling you, say the world can't level. Because you come out the road, come see me and do my thing, you know. And everything did good for me, you know. And when you come around me, I don't know, you could have come powder me down, because your RT was friend them time there. And 2 times you come at my yard. The last time you come at my yard, for stay at my yard, because you're the landlord in that problem. And it couldn't work. Me never would have want you live with me. You're mad. Would have beat you. Furthermore, you never go give me the attitude because when you run me, it's a different energy you give me. I have to tell the crowd that. You don't even know me or who. The next time I know nothing, man, you can't get away because if you ever thought one little tips of eye over my vice, even if we in the same room, I come licking in your mouth. Me, I come licking in your mouth. Remember, I tell you that so good, girl. Oh. Cause remember when you say me an idiot boy, you know. Remember when you say me an idiot boy, yeah.
The conversation has been
I barely me a study right now. I'ma feel like I got shit blood clot, my father. All of them people are sending requests, you know want to come up? Visionary mommy, thank you. You don't want to come up, send a request. No, say you don't want to come up, right? Add. Because I don't know sometimes, I don't know if you're not big people or not pitney. I don't know if you know if you use the smartphone or what. But every time I add most time, when the people them come up in the box, them don't even know them in the blood clot box. So anybody know say add me now, I don't know. Yeah.
Alright, my people. You see the big A, it they all over the world. You're frightened to see some people will have it. You know what I mean? Yeah man, it they all over the world, man. And for you find a girl where I go raw or a man where I go raw, you know same have it or she have it. Because to all the world around you know and too much people in the world have it and too much thing where we hear. Anybody where I go raw, them have it. You see me I say point blank period. You see it. So just do your due diligence. Not even your due diligence. Wrap it up. Both 2 man and one. Make you watch some more.
Hi, this is Macy Gray calling from the Bank of America. Yeah. Come on, look like yeah, so I don't know.
took this round. Already with the sweater on. The temperature should drop to probably.
Guys, you know, remember the payment methods. If I even $10, $20.
Never had no kind in my ear. You think I joke that to the whole on the sin request? Then no, so no got that show on the blood clot phone, no sister, no for your phone. Now one of them know them up here.
Okay.
I mix up them blood clot, love. I just drop my hair like this, you know. If I'm like, my blood clot, I mix up them, love. Mix up them blood clot, love, and them not try to contribute and try to help you, and no way.
Don't respond to mother one, though. The world I go see how wicked mother is. A play, she play with her little blood clot time, boy. She not see what happened to Dan Reed. Remember Dan Reed carry me go blood clot courthouse and them sitting there and she lose the blood clot case. She lose the case. Them thinking blood clot ring go and carry me go courthouse. I in trouble me.
Yeah, man.
I just show me have to put up this in here. Hey, what do you use? You cannot trouble people with a international judgment. I expect a one day to go down. You're mad. Unless me no name cheesy blase, cute and girly.
Miss Johnson, you can't send something to the cash app, PayPal or Zelle.
Mother
Please,
and somebody, man.
If you can't work with the payment method, if it's
yeah, right.
If it's even a gift, Miss Johnson.
Oh, Christianity coming at it.
Right, let's go.
I don't have a blood clot, man. That come out of the blood clot one. I just the truth.
Kasha, I don't come over here feeling no argument, but you see when Macy Gray is saying lie. The little girl we dead we come from West, where her mother dead before her in a child's birth. I don't know nothing. I get a work to go do 2 years up at one place which I used to live up at Mount Vernon. When we go up there to the girl them here, the girl them and the family in a cousin. Me turn and say, why make them no wait for the autopsy before them start cuss? That's all I said. You hear Macy Gray I said that? And yesterday Kenneth said, you go over the life go this up Kenneth. Him tell a big lie for me. Anything me do in a life, me not afraid to say me do that. Macy Gray take a dead set for me because one time though you not see me on the media. Them time they Macy Gray ride me back, Alright, we go down at the same dirty Marlon yard. Go do him here. And she dey on the phone and talk to Marlon. I'm a turn to her and say, Grace, Macy, what me you have? Every time I see me, I take a set for me. Macy turn to me and say, girl, a joke me and make. You know me no mean nothing, girl. You know we have to give the internet something at all times. Me say, oh, alright then. When me look, me see a video with Macy a classmate and I bring them and pitney them. You draw the line there so. When you start bring me pitney them and you mix up, you draw the line there so because if you even not do for fun, you're going to get me dark when you get my pitney them involved. Remember, you don't have no pitney for me this up, you know, so you got this up your body hole and your sickness where you walk with. You get me? So in a real life now, basically, you are playing a blood clot. We don't call it victim now. Don't play no victim of blood clot. You call me name your class name, me ignore you. You call me name your class, me ignore you. When me hear you call me pitney them name, that is when they say me have 3 batty man. That is the time you get my undivided attention. The little girl was dead. Me don't know the little girl. Me don't know nothing about it. Me never said that straight from my life. Me never said the little girl dead for go drink the little girl dead water. It's the girl's sister. We get the accuser sister. Is who said that, not me. Not me said that. So when time you go around, you go around and make me look like a evil person. You see the world turn against you now and I beat you. You need to just take accountability for your actions and what you did. As I say, me and you are no friend where you do on my yard. Me never live a Blandy yard and next thing again my address. Me never live a Blandy yard, me live upstairs in a 1 2-bedroom apartment. Blandy live downstairs in a 1 2-bedroom apartment. Blandy live a 1B, me live a 2B. How the fuck me if you live in a Blandy? We couldn't live in a Blandy house because at the end of the day, me and my son live. Them only care my son run about him and live. If you don't notice how the apartment there is upstairs, Blandy did the downstairs, see we shall see the downstairs. And downstairs she used to live. Him used to live.
So when Blandy come at the yard, come for video so much, Blandy never live there.
No, Blandy move out. Kasha, let me explain what going on now. You never get a chance. Say no, say me go through a little rough patch, me get put out and thing, and me end up in a shelter. Me then in the shelter and thing, and me tell you say, one woman one so cocky woman working at the shelter. Every time me smoke, you know, so you can't smoke in the shelter, so you have to go outside go smoke. When me go outside go smoke, they must say me can't left the picnic in the room because if the little boy drop off of the bed and broke nothing at the shelter go respond see me say, my son of 14, me don't need to babysit a big boy like that. He is not a minor. Them say, well, it's our policy, 16-year-old and over. I say, alright, then fair enough. One day that time, I'm going to smoke and the woman say, she going to call social worker. So from she said that I'm going to run social worker, joke my move. You get me? So I come out of the shelter now, I'm going to go back down a Larry, and nobody never did live in a Larry house yet. The same house where them they put me out of it, I go back in and go live. I start sleep there and thing, and then the people them come like somebody come rent the house. Somebody have to come out now because the house rent. When me come out, I let my son do a woman will live next door me and me pay $200 a week. Because to be honest, me have a youth, me have a nigga, I'm gonna go sleep with the nigga. I'm gonna pay the woman for my son stay there. Boom! It happened that me never go there, go to the youth the weekend, and me end up calling and they say, no, see, no, if you sleep, maybe I catch now. She say, alright, come down, me know there, me yard, but you can go in the room. But go there, I'm there for 3 nights. When me there for 3 nights, Blandy come to me and say, yeah, you know, me have to sell my little fucking thing, and you know how it go in a bag of man, and I don't want to help people really come see her. I say, alright, that's no problem. She turned to me and say, the whole of the building empty, and you can take the apartment to the downstairs. Me say, what apartment the downstairs? Say, everywhere empty. She never tell me take anything, you know. She just say, me can't take the apartment downstairs, she in the basement. Well, me go down there, me asleep. When me down there and thing, my son, the woman who keep my son, call me and say, my son, him a misbehave and me for come for him. She not take up my nobody problem. Me say, alright then, boom, bumbo clap, we make her go because I want to room this now. I'm going to carry my son here, so. Me just go upstairs now, take the 2-bedroom apartment and move in the things. You get it? Hold it, this will come. Hold it, just hold it now. Because the woman moving with things them now and live comfortable. You see the time when me and Macy Gray had a...
Hey, my people. She's supposed to know how them a people are stay. You know what I mean? How them cantankerous and cussy and them something there. See, him should have know if you not go among them people there. You know what I mean? You can be friends with people but feed them with a long spoon. You understand me? Always hear them say that saying there. You see it, and people watch his style with cheese, you know. Look how cheese go foreign. See, that foreign, you know. Our son reach a foreign where if she did wait and not go foreign the way how she go, she could have gone foreign straight and not have to worry about none of them something here. Because once them file for the son and the son reach of age, him can file for his mother. So eventually she would have get for, you know what I mean, fly out in the realest way. But I don't know, I want to think about some more.
Problem. And she said, show where you live, I'm sure me live, and the people them say, cheese win. Blandy see that and get in her blood clot feelings. The next day, Blandy call the landlord and tell the landlord, tell him, I know. And Blandy tell me, say, we can't stay there, you know. That Blandy call the landlord and tell the landlord, say, oh, she see somebody moving at the house 3 nights ago. It's about 2 months ago, you know. It's a 2 months ago, you know.
But you said Blandy here the place so you can go and stay in there.
Yeah. Then one time, we beat Macy Gray into the apartment showing when everybody has said cheese win. The next day from that, she called the landlord. Like it happened tonight. The next day, the landlord come and push in a blood clot door. Anyway, I said nothing, you know. We don't have what the landlord need already, you know. So when the landlord come and police come, me give them what they need, and I clamp them down there, so I lick them down. So I end up staying at the house now. When me at the house, Blandy come and say, "What one girl?" When I she do the evil to me, you know. So me I tell her everything what I say, "Yeah, which way you there now, girl?" Me say me still there in the house. So me I wonder how she's so concerned, but yet still she nah push for evil, put in a word for me. Anyway, me ignore that. When everything me call her and thing and me record her, me have the recording and everything. And she take God off of the cross and say, him don't say nothing to the landlord, because at the time, when the police them become, the police them call the landlord by one phone, because the security when they secure the building, the same man they come push the key at the blood clot where the landlord saying, make the security talk to the landlord, and the landlord was on speaker, the landlord say, I have it on record, because I send it to give my friend. The landlord say, and two of we alone live in a building, you know. You hear me I tell you? Two of we, me and Blandy. The landlord say, is the person from 1B call them and tell them, say, them see one lady are moving and how comes them say them are going to fix up the building and the lady are moving after Blandy tell me for moving, you know. Blandy tell me for moving, you know. And then call the landlord for me, you know. Me say me don't know what me do blood clot people. Anyway, me there and I fight the case and thing. The landlord come. The landlord ask me for my lease. We give the roof. The landlord run with the lease in my face. Gone. Go come back and tell police that me lick him in my face. Me and the landlord come down and hey, we get a lock up round there. We get lock up blood clot round there, brother. And got court and them dismiss the blood clot charge. That never good enough. That never good enough for everything what happen. I tell the big batty boy. No, me they in the house and the landlord moving people in the house, in the apartment. The room where me in, them take the room from me. So me end up in a living room, so I have to pack up the whole of my things them now. My bedroom, me left my bed in there because the police them said to one girl them they say the girl live there. The girl forget my bed, so me have to give the girl my bed for go and sleep on. But when the police gone, the girl gone. The girl only come there, come say she live there for them get access to the apartment. Anyway, when them do get access to the apartment, one night we see 10 man, the next night we see 15 man, the third night we see 2 blood clot dog come. One of the dog them saw like my waist. One is a pit bull. He said no to blood clot, we can't manage this. The people them start put the dog in the blood clot bathroom now. So I called Blandy and I said, no man, you have to talk to the landlord for me. Me not say nothing at all, you know. Still now pick up say a Blandy I do this. Anyway now, me did the one I went Wednesday, me did it. And the man come to me and say, Miss, I think you should really go, you know, because I don't think you can win this landlord with the evidence that he got. And he said, landlord don't have no evidence for me. But me always I say, the only person can fuck me over is Blandy. Anyway, the youth back out him phone and play the recording when the landlord record Blandy. When Blandy I tell the landlord say, and the video when me a moving, when she send go give the landlord. You get me? So me I say bumbo blood clot when the man show me astonished. So same time when the man said to me I try keep it till I couldn't keep it to see the Thursday morning when me get up, me text her. Me text him, and when me text him, like him give me the energy when him give me I say your blood clot, you just never know say me that gonna know. Then him just start real, and the real when start real, you know, me I come around there, and now me I come around there with Macy Gray. Me and Macy Gray I come around there, come bring down your blood clot, right, me say come. I'm not afraid I want to come. You get me? So me I say deep down, Blandy just not have the quality things them like what me have. Because Blandy is big and him have a little tiny blood clot settee, and I am small and have a big settee. So Blandy have to eat me. You get me? Blandy, you cannot better with what you do to me, because me a girl feed you. Whole heap of food me give you. Give food the taste in my food. Not if your mother ever cook that give dirty germs. My rice and peas and blood clot chicken and oxtail with my blood clot you. Remember you called me at my voice recording on the food bad. You know no more girl? Give me some more overnight.
Hey, my people, let me know what they think. Them say you dare not trust your own third-hearted with friends like these who need enemies. Eh? Cha-cha. Boy, I tell my people, look what some more.
It's evil. That's why I know. When I go down the road with you, you got a police station and you tell a bag of life for me blind, me say you come and go big kind of blood clot. Remember me tell you that money me lend that the blood clot, not even man there. The amount of money me lend that day. One time me lend that $700. And next time I lend Blandy 3. And next time I lend Blandy 5. Blandy live with a man and all my yard Blandy a come for food for she and her man. And you not even would have used them things and say cheese that. Eh? You come with a bag of excitement and talk about me and this up. Look how long this a gone and I never this you throughout all them time there. And when me see the evidence here, you tell the landlord at them time I bring my blood clot out here. Eh? When you come talk the story blood clot good because in a real life you're not talking the story properly. Talk the story good. When not talk the story, good not talk the story with some people when they like me. And I say it go. When you know I have my pitney and not talk about how much excitement and ray. If I see the little boy alone, that alone you could have said, alright then, make you go and live with that pitney. Not even that. When you come and try to hear my blood clot down youth, I mean a good blood clot, I would have never, me swear from my life for life, I take the sinful life. Would have never do that when them do to nobody. I know say a pitney involved. Yes, would have class a girl. Yes, would have bring down a girl pussy. Yes, would have tear up a girl hole. But to take up myself and go and create excitement and all these things, me never da go do that. Me not evil them way there. What you say? Yeah.
The point when you say you got it, I don't want to hear which body. The 4-year-old baby was unalive.
No, it's not there, so. But go one yard which for me used to live up at Mount Burnham.
Oh, the family them dead.
No, the family them dead, yeah. That
and they were talk about the situation.
No, them did it for life, of course. So me I say, what them a cuss for? And them I say the people them just get up and a cuss and I say my sister do this and my sister do that. So me I say why them not wait for the autopsy? But the person who said to drink the baby dead water was the sister, the girl. Alright, the accuser sister is the person who said, I'm not going to go drink the baby dead water. Why can't it
that's what you say? That's what you say is no wrong. Because me did it, I say why them not wait for autopsy too.
But that me say, that is exactly what me say. Why them not wait for the autopsy before they start them judgment?
Them get them where them and them no friend now, so them a find all means to bring.
Right. But listen up, I true me go class of Kenneth last yesterday. Cause him have a problem. Me never call Kenneth, me and Kenneth have the problem. If me and me see a problem, I say, remember you have a Batman son. I say, we have to catch up to my son. I say, nicer than you and your crew. Nicer than you and your friend. Me never say nicer than you and Kenneth. Oh, Kenneth are going to come pick up the blood clot argument. And I come by your big dirty AIDS victim Kenneth and why you want from me. Big one say Kenneth a born America and I sell back to you all why your blood clot want from me. Why you want from me, dirty batty man?
Jeez.
Oh.
Jeez.
Yeah.
So when you go on like this way, and
you know some me have feelings Kasha, I'm upset when that
listen,
like that.
It's when you're upset and them time that the devil use it. The devil can't use it when you're calm. It have to use it when your brain are quiet. Just listen.
Oh, me a liar. Tell me when me say we lie. So
respect you. The more people, is more the majority people is going to love you because in all honesty, you don't only think that negative is widespread. That's not the truth. Positive people with knowledge tends to stay silent. They tends to walk away. Positive is still the majority. Positive stands the majority. But positive people isolate. Positive people isolate and leave negative people to self-destruct themselves. Because in all honesty, it makes no sense when you have knowledge, you justify anything. Because people that is narcissistic will never take accountability. So sometimes we with knowledge just refuse to do the back and forth. We don't know because we know we really don't want peace. Positive is still the majority. It's okay to be different. It's okay to have a mind of your own. Keep your own mindset. Because at this point, yes, I don't think you're a bad person. I just think you're naive. And you keep the more think I don't want to call it delusional. Me more want to call it depression. You see, me honestly think you are going into a depression. You're crashing out. Because when you check now, you are more than 10 people on the internet fall out in less than 2 weeks. In less than 2 weeks, you and 10 different people falling out on the app. It can't be everybody is the problem, Macy. Macy, looking at yourself. Check yourself. It can't be that everybody is the problem. You are more than 10 people fall out on this internet in less than 2 weeks. It cannot be that the people are the problem. It has to be you. Everybody that tells you the truth, you come after them. Macy, you're crashing out. You're crashing out, Macy. You're entering into a depression. Yes, Toronto finest, that is it, my baby. You're entering into a depression and your chat is putting you into that depression. Because you know what your chat doing? They're being accomplice. Your chat is being accomplice. They know. Me say any day you and one of your daughters fall out, them time they are going to hear the truth about you. I can tell you. You say anyhow you and one of your daughters fall out, I can tell you say your daughters them chatting you behind your back. Your daughters see the truth, but they're scared of you because you're a bully. You're bullying them. A lot of them knows the truth, but because they can't come at you, because you have to shut them down and you have to bully them, and them scared the whole of the platform come down upon them. They don't genuinely love you. Majority of them know the truth.
Hey, my people, let me tell you something, man. You see, like how we used to think first time when them even say, if you and more than one person in a something, or more than one person say something about you, I saw it go, or it near for go so. Nowadays, I know saw it go, my people, believe me. Nowadays, you have people who have them link where them and a million other people link. And if they want to bring you down, them are going to bring down your rated. Them are going to even make up something and them go 1-1 and spread it to people. Make a person say, then me hear it from somebody else already. When the whole of them group up. You see me I say a whole of them group up and come to a plan. Say them are going to do this and bring you down. You see me I say? So we can't believe everything everybody say. Do you understand what I say? So we not going to use that to judge nobody because more than one person said. Can't use that no more. You see it? But more know we only think about the whole situation. We are going to watch some more.
They knows this. She and someone of them are going to fall out. Really, me see a screen recording with really saying that cute boss says she's the problem. Really? May I make you understand why I say that? Remember, Aisha, thank you, baby. Remember when you did over Angel Live, when we were talking about the Peter Gay situation? We were conversating, we wasn't arguing really. Really, we wasn't arguing. We were having a conversation. But because you were picking up for them, we wasn't even talking about Macy, we was talking about Peter Gay. Really, you was justifying that you stand with the victim. And we asked you if you talk to the victim, if you see the victim, you said no. So we say you don't stand with the victim, you stand with who stand with the victim. Really, we was conversating, we weren't arguing. After you leave Angel Live, Aisha, thank you. After you leave Angel Live, knowing that we never have an argument, we was just agreeing to disagree, and really you go over there. I got the screen recording, really. With you go over there, stating and telling a bag of lies on me and Angel. We got the screen recording, really. Really, digital footprints are here. Really, after you leave Angel Life, because we wasn't agreeing with you, we said we want more proof. That was what we was asking you for, really. Them time that you wasn't Macy's moderator. Really, when you go over there, go bring we down, you get moderator, really. Really, and when you bring we down, you get moderator. Really, remember you did over Destiny, I look moderator. Really, you come over Angel and you look moderator, and you never get it. Really, you go over Macy and cuss we and bring we down and get moderator. Really, you started this whole drama. When Macy come over on Angel Live and she cuss and she talk and she gone, You go over there, go carry a bag of lies and a bag of news. Really, I am proudly saying this. You started this. You not start the whole drama, but you are accomplice. You carry the news wrong. You carry a lot of wrong news, you and the comment section. And uno cast me say, fear behave how she behave today. So really, you play a major role in this. You play a major role in this really. I don't know you, I don't hate you, I just speak the truth. Long time really I go around enough for Paul about and a big moderator. Long time. And until some people call me name, me not go call them name. But there's whole heap more people in this. This is not just Macy. Macy is the forefront. Macy is the one who is not afraid to speak out. Macy is the one who is not scared of speaking out. The rest of them scared of speaking out. So them come out and go on like them and cry peace. Done Macy. Them sell you out. Nobody never said Macy is a bad person. You, sir. That's why I'm clearing the air. Macy's been misled, carried away, and I am not going to not even blame Macy's daughter. That bring me down in the comment section. Caribou thank you niece. Me not go blame Macy's daughter them either. You know who me I go blame? The chat. I'm going to tell Angel this too when I talk to her this morning. You see the chat? It's not everybody in the chat, it's Macy's chat. Enough enemy go over there too. Enough enemy over there too. I comment and I lick out pan cute bass and Angel. Because them really want Macy for cause them really want the drama. And everybody over there where I comment are really Macy people them. So me now go hold Macy responsible for the whole of the chat. Me now go all our chat and our daughters responsible because you have a lot of people on this app that go around them come in my life. Cute boss cuss Macy and then them go over Macy. Macy cuss cute boss. They are troublemakers. You have trolling going on in the comment section. So not everybody in the chat is really Macy's people. Not everybody in my chat is my people. And not everybody in Angel chat is Angel people. Some people come to cause problems. And this is what Macy need to go, lay down and understand. I have nothing against no Batman, no transgender. I am not homophobic. Macy, me fall out as she say, and my son is not involved in this. And every time Macy speaks, she speak about my son. Why? Chat, me ask the question. Why every time she speak about my son? Macy, what is it that you have with my son? Because you stated that if my son lick you. I don't see that screen recording. Somebody literally told me that. So I am not going to believe everything people say, but I am going to say what a person said to me. That you say you want my son to come lick you. Why? My son don't care about me and you, Macy. My son not care about me and you. Don't think my son tell me, say, Mommy, come out of the Batman drama and leave the Batman them now. I'm say, Papi, me not in the drama. And them involve me in the drama. Kinda like me a trouble nobody. Me not in it. And them put me in it. That's not what she said. See, Miss T said that she said it. You see it? That's why I don't like believe everything people say. Because of that, me hear so she say, she want my son to come lick her. My son don't care about me and you. My son don't care. My son have nothing against you. My son don't care about me and you. My son don't care. When you're ready, you say, oh, cute boss don't like her son, she only tolerate him. That's not the truth, Macy. Macy, that's not the truth. I love that little boy with everything in me. I don't tolerate my son. Me naturally, genuinely, authentically love my son. Me and my son just can't agree when him do the wrong thing and me talk to him. My son Nah go ever get involved. Alright, Shanae. My son nah go get involved. My son an idiot. And my son knows that me never have nothing against you. Me can't tolerate my son. Why would I tolerate him? One of the time you say true, my son can't give me something, me tolerate him. Me say, my son have nothing for give me. Nothing. I'm here to take care of myself. Me don't even know what my son are doing a foreigner selling bottom. Come here say myself fuck a New York City. I mean I get none of him fuck money me see. Me don't even know cause my son know what me know in business. I pay people have to tell me my son business cause him know what me know for him business. He might hide him business from me, my love, because him know me is an overprotective mother. And me I go tell him say Batman you're wrong for that. We are though with your life, Batman, him know me I go class him careless blood clot. Me I go tell you something. My son have a goal, and him write down him goal them send me. And him achieve 2 of him goal out of where him write down and send me chat. And him on 2 and him 3rd goal. And when my son buy him car already, and him go do him funerals, I read one name. I did go come over. I tell my everybody ask me when I see I post him on WhatsApp.
Alright, my people, you know me not talk too much, so here I go on. We are going to watch someone, then move on to the next.
But you ask me say me not post him post. I not post him accomplishment. Me not post it. Cause him not focus. Him will gain something today and lose it tomorrow. It's not in the right focus. So I'm not going to get too worked up over nothing. I will just pray for him and pray God pilot him because I know the which part him there for pilot him. Me not go post no accomplishment. Me not go post nothing because right now me still a pray and I hope for him do the best. Me still a pray and I hope for him do the best. He's still young and he's still naive. Him easy to get carried away. My son easy to get misled. My son not really focused like that. He's not that focused. So me not get worked up over nothing at all because him can gain something today and lose it tomorrow. Him pretty young, him have time for grow. Him have time for growing pretty young. Me not frightened, mother. Me not frightened. Me's not the frightened mother. Me not believe in a picnic for combine me. Me do what me do for my picnic them out of my heart because I me trouble them. My son at 22. I me trouble them. I me do what me do for them out of the love of my heart. No picnic no woman not my son. The only thing me war with my son for my granddaughter money. The body man the can't be a foreigner and give my granddaughter nothing. Him I forgive my granddaughter that cause when him there Jamaica him never work. Me hold my granddaughter down. Me hold my daughter-in-law down. When my son there Jamaica never work, me a done granny. Done granny. When my daughter-in-law mother give her a room, when she breed and her whole family turn them back on her. When she breed and her mother give her a room. And me got angle and triangle and bangle up the room and furnish out that before my granddaughter born. My granddaughter have her TV before she born. My granddaughter have her TV before she born. Everything. My son up with my daughter-in-law till my son can't go on him foot. I know when him there on him foot, him have to take care of my daughter-in-law, my granddaughter. Him can't run none up and joke with them. Him not have to give me, but him have to give them. Worse, him go turn Batman. I'm flat on my daughter-in-law blood clot career. At the mud. You must put my daughter-in-law and my granddaughter. War for my granddaughter money and my daughter-in-law money. Me will show judgment him know me no wrong. Make my daughter-in-law call me and tell me that she don't have no money. I'm popping again the money and I want to see the dirty judgment with me and him. You know mad? Papi can't mind me. Me spend big enough. Papi can't mind me.
Yeah,
fuck myself.
Alright, don't know. About 2 hours now, you're on the live and do this, you know? I can't don't know.
Get no money gone yet.
Yeah, done. We not do this to the whole day.
Nah,
This is what you say, you not tell no lie. The whole of we there, the whole of we see it. So, you know, if you try to prove nothing to nobody or anything like that. Anybody with sense, anybody with understanding, see what you say, and then can play about the recordings. Everybody.
And the mix up me like on a Sunday, you know. Yeah, it name alligator in Alcatraz. Alligator it name. So those spoiled Trump name. So come here now. What are we? Ivany and Roger slump and live and Ivany going pan cheese and Roger class Ivany. Then Roger you come here, all your batting have no hope. Roger your batting have no hope. Then you say cheese first, I go come class here, boom boom where you sit down pan. Why never make Ivany go in and Ivany and cheese used to rub the world together? They used to walk and thief together, and remember Bonnie and Clyde? And yeah, go like a Bobby and Whitney. How you get involved, Roger? Yeah, Christina. We just want to know. No, we just ask something. Ivany attacks the cheeses and cheeses. And Roger talk about you love kick people when them down after you not get up yet, Roger. Roger, when you ever get up, can you say cheese down and when they get down with that, why you can't stay on low, Shelley? How low can you go? Down, but Roger, you don't see how low you make Barney class cheese, Roger. Let me tell you something, you see one miss the love company. I see because the whole are the same age, you know, they're on the same wavelength. She's to get up and go do something, she's to try use pregnancy. She's look like she dash for the belly and her age I tell upon her. She's to know so when you so old you can't dash her inside. Eh? You have to throw her outside. You can't dash her inside.
Oh my God.
Should we tell you? Yeah? Yeah. You can't dash her inside, you have to throw her outside cheese. So I don't know how cheese gone dash for the whole of your faculties. The fact of the matter is nobody now laugh after you because you go through. The fact of the matter.
Alright, my people. So you are going now. Cheese, I can tell for your side of story. Right? Blandy, I can tell for him side of story. And if you ask the two of them, over story or the real story, them are going to say for them one. You see, I say nobody now going to say enough for the other person, they are the right person or whatever. You know what I mean? So all we have to do is just sit down and listen, because we know that there we just hear from ears say, and try to come to a conclusion, you know what I mean, based on what we hear from both parties. That's all I can say. We can watch some more.
Is one real with you when you go through, but you alone not happy say you go through it. Nobody now look at the fact say Blandy give you summer for capture and Blandy give it for capture for you and your son and you bringing man pan Blandy. You're too damn out of other nasty cheese. Nobody know for help your dog shit. You know where you do. You're a sore. Nobody know for help you. Nobody at all must not help your cheese. You're a wicked dirty drunk crow. You're a wicked dirty germs bag. Nobody know for help your cheese. It's true, you can't know say drag queen live for the building and drag queen give you a blind and you bring people with 8 people because you said one cheese with set up Blandy with enough of them man the way you're bringing dirty girl. Remember son stay when you walk and profile people and set up people. A son stay cheese, nobody know for friend you, nobody know for walk with you because you don't mean people good. You don't mean nobody good. Yeah, them like to do things and play victim. None of them don't own up with them though. Everybody want to play victim. Yeah. Everybody want to play victim. The boy, you know the boy lifestyle. The boy have to come and spit it out. All of a sudden, he might drain. He never drain when he might hook you up. That's why I know you're not good smarty. All of a sudden, the boy is drain. All of a sudden, he might drain, you know. He never drain when he might give a night rest. He never drain when he might give a blind. Eh? That's why I don't know how people still and talk to you and Rosealee. But anything, it's a Blandy forget it too. And mother forget it. Me don't know how people still and talk to them girl. Me don't know. Them girl just want to hear one man come up on the app and say, oh, them boy you forget. Yeah man, not true. Them are nastiness and a pay shit cocky them take. Pay do the body. Pay do the body cheese and Rosealee now. I don't know anything mother do. Rosealee I give mother deserve it and more. Only thing I joke me I make, mother deserve it and more. I don't know who could I really have me for sit down and talk to them girl, yeah. You mad face, me I no friend. Me I no friend, my baby. Go suck on a mother. I'm don't tell them say that me tell me say that but me say I go like session you. Me say I go like session you. Me don't let me could have sit up and live with Rosealee, but me I play a match I conversate with Rosealee. Rosealee. You know, so the last time Urban Legend come from my life, but add. Me never had the 3 little boys. I didn't add them. Me and some people now go find live. You mad? You murdy? Me never do add Auntie Face and Uncle Body. Me never do add her. When me I go with Ingraph, Auntie Face and Uncle Body. And then me say some man, me ear says so. Me never do it. Me don't know how them boys sit down so freely. Me hear somebody say cheese you win because cheese backs out mother phone. No, I seen Felix cheese in a slim stage. I seen. Then you can imagine mother and Blandy be cheesy blase their wickedness. Because like you look like if you come so cheese broke, she not drop, cheese thin. And when me tell and say cheese thin, the whole on go like a lime in that tell. Cheese flavor Rosealee and my head niggle. Cheese thin. It's true. No, it's true. They night you want anything she go through, she for go through it. They don't like when you tell them, say, stand still because God want change, you know. She's a box boat and a run boat and a come a class me with motel bed. You don't have no ambition, she's and I know you no experience life. No matter where you go, you suffer. You never experience life yet. Which girl you can trace with motel bed? Which girl you can go in a motel and class me cheese? And you're in a hotel and I forget to go buy breakfast across the street. Cheese make it make sense. And it's not McDonald's. Come to cheese. You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Very inclusive there. It not have to be hard, it can be quarter. See baby one very inclusive there. Use that eye for me cheese. You can't use better eye for me because you can't use trouble in a mother upon you. Trouble make me sing. But come to America, you come to Jamaica. Go to the Bahamas. Go somewhere. Trouble make me say cheese. Cheese is a buster. You a buster. Cheese there's no go upon you appear stop sign there foreign. Everybody will run across the border don't stop sign. The gifter, they make, you see sometimes I don't understand the logic behind the thing and you see I'm glad my program not come with a lot of dunce people. I'm glad most of the people who watch me on my program, they have a reason to be working in the outer world. You understand me? They don't just get up and work because them are go hungry. No. I'm glad my people is off work. The people who watch me, I'm glad the intelligent people watch me. You see who can read and write, then smart no blow. You get what me I say? I'm glad that them people they watch me because I cannot understand how one would sit and come with a pity and then leave with a real and then operate under hype and then come back again to pity and then leave with a real, operate under hype and then come back again with a pity. Me not understand because that cannot be logical. Thank you very much, my baby. Thank you, Latonya. Latonya, yeah.
Hey, one thing me know, you know, she would have known to keep the same energy, you know. If him not good with Uno, from good morning, he not go good when he touch evening. Him a go, them say you know fi kick a person when them down, but him a go do it and teach you the lesson while him a kick you. You see me? So make you watch some more people.
Thank you. No, we can't understand them some of them. So it's you see enough of them like Ram always know says non-progressive elements. Always. Because number one, you can't be intelligent and still not listen to crap songs. And it's not my dear. Exactly. Repetitive foolishness. It's true. Every day you still not listen to the same crap and it's not my dear. Oh, we are trying to put everything on Nisha family. Me now play them game yet. People, let me tell you something. From night until day, we never hear say frog in them yard when Nisha did their home. Make how we go suck him mother. Oh. As rain drizzle bullfrog farm. Everywhere bullfrog there. Bullfrog all jump out of your manual. How we go suck out him over your working woman. I want the dirty people to listen to every single shenanigans and fool. I remember telling something around certain joke. Oh, we busy a lot money and exploit the baby like ivany. We not see all of that, you know. We not see all of that. Oh. He monetized Nisha's situation, and now, what I do now, he might try fabricate, formulate, and create some form of content, but him still only frog. Oh, we didn't have nothing for nobody over you. So why when they come talk and say, we don't live on the land and start make it now? Why we never move? Why they make it seem like a lie, me did that tell? So oh yeah, come with Obi, Obi go suck out your dirty old woman. When we suck old, you will suck with the one that Nisha knows that she did with a condom mouth. Why? Because him can't wait for put him mouth over body. Yeah. Too out of order. Yeah, come with content. Nisha still in the bed lay down. And you did come and talk say Nisha is home. You did come and talk say Nisha is home. So cold. So oh, Nisha still in the bed lay down. You want to carry Misha make that Panama, you work hard, all you, that's say nothing, nobody nothing for bad mind. Because imagine you are come from a humble place and you say, there we go Panama, you want to call up or you want to go Panama, the most small island at the end of the world. Where you could go, how you want to go Panama, you well want to turn ranker, you well want to turn TikToker away, you well want to catch your eye, but so you stay in place, they look like you have moms. I want to notice thinking nasty germs and so-called people support him and make the little girl lay down on the bed and nothing happen. I know them seem so inseparable. I tell you the so cocky girl say, you see where Nisha go through, no for una go through it and no for una go through it already. I recover stage on the plan. I saw when I didn't talk something for my life. I said when some man starts step up in a life, you're no longer qualified for them. You're not qualified for them. My thought is already day in, day out. Are we willing to leave Nisha on our bed because he's very active. After the little girl make him feel like a man, be a man. No one never see when me I'm gonna go suck on a mother.
Remember me tell her say, I am big, I am strong, and we are beautiful.
Beautiful. I remember that. I will never forget that.
Listen, I always remember that. So guess what now? And I remember me tell her say, to stand up and be strong, right? In the face of adversity. Never give up on your quest, right? Because only you can do it the best. And life, remember me tell her, you know, say life, I go bring you difficulties. Have no fear, cause life, the struggles of life is always clear. So you just face what you face. Whatever you face it head on and put God first. You understand? And put God first. Yes. Remember the situation, there's a ticklish situation between your son and, you know, the person you take as a friend, you know, because you like her, you know, but it's very hard. Like it, you know what I'm saying? Hard. So you have to just. But me understand, and me I tell you say it position you know and tricky one, you know, and me understand where you're there. Say, you understand? But at the same time, you have to understand, say, I can check you. Better if you can check you, you know, make TT did it. Me I tell you, that's the only solution me can tell you. If you can check you, better I can check you, just make him check you, he can check you and link you, and she's not there. It's okay, because guess what? I think it makes me understand why I make him uncomfortable, and him uncomfortable with it. So guess what you do know? In order for just make the peace, because him just know make the peace with everybody, like, you know, everybody together. But it's okay, it's a part of life. You understand me I come from? And me think say the only solution, best solution me could have give, not everybody are gonna like my solution, is that because she come public and say boy him do this and him do that. You know what I mean? And it's not like she if it goes so, then me not apologize. But if she knows say go so, the first thing she should do is apologize to him and say, boy, me apologize public. Because I know in a heated argument, we said this and we said that. And you know what I mean? Everybody throw shade. Fi make themselves look good. But him feel away publicly. So if I lie.
You see him cry yesterday and Jack gonna cry.
Listen up.
Jack gonna cry easy.
How this a girl? I'm Britney. How this a Britney? How which Britney this a? Britney, I want to block you. Unless somebody know me. Where tell me if you talk, but me just tell her say. So if she knows say what she say, it's not true. Me you know, because if me want still keep the friendship with the mother, right? Would have go apologize to him and say boy publicly and say, you know, me sorry for what me say, and me say it out of anger of you know me angry spirit.
Yeah,
it's okay.
Everybody are good. Me just try to give everybody them own space and time. TT spend some time now, so me just make Jagga them like come spend for them time. So me I try to make everybody get chance spend for them time instead of what's any problem. You understand? Because I remember say I feel mother by the way, so
I feel I feel mother. Yes, baby, I feel mother, you know, so nobody can tell him how to feel because I feel mother.
Yeah,
you understand? At the end of the day, I feel mother.
You can always come up when you're ready, but when it comes to the mother when you want mom, that's something totally more different. So yeah, but just make sure
that's
we go down
at the end of the day.
Yeah. But it's a great man. I'm so freaking nice right now when I like you.
They say look frost like puss.
But nice.
They look frost.
You see, when you come to them woman, yeah, the world supposed to know by now, say, them woman, yeah, once you and them break up, the thing where them can say for hurt you is that you name them. You see me? And most women resort to that. And say, man, name them and ray. And if you come on the internet and say something like that to a person with up on the internet, say boy him do this and him do that, that very, very messed up. You see me? If him not do it, if him do it, well you have all right to expose him. You see me I say? So if she TT know say the G never do it and she want their own him family and Ray, I remember say him family that, so him a go come around and he a go communicate with them, and plus you have a man and maybe the dog have some feelings for you same way. Here, you see, just like what the woman say, apologize and make your girl know say nothing no go so. You just say it because you want to hurt him. Simple as that. But if him do it, you can still apologize same way and say, boy, you never mean it, Ray, him never do it. If you kind of ease it up, because at the end of the day, you're on him family, and him a go come around, and if you expose him like that, him not go want you around him family. So if you apologize and say, Ray, all if him do it, you apologize same way, maybe you can stay around. You know what I mean? So let me know what I think, my people.
No, me never did not decide. Me never did not drink nothing hard. Me did not drink Jabas. Make sure me not drink nothing Hennessy. Like, he make sure me drink something like Moscato, some more smooth.
Hey, look here, that video that we Jabas at the, look at her. That video that we Jabas at the islands. Me say me just jack my bed last night so that me couldn't laugh. Me say me buzz out the laugh. Me say, mighty God, they win again. They win again.
Yeah.
Hey,
Jabas said, "Can you make up on that, guys? Guys, look here."
Book Jabas. Yo, me laugh, man. I me see to them, man. Me dead with laugh, bro. Me say, mighty God, Jabas and Annie win again. Me win one more time. Trophy can't done for you, no.
You never know you could have the last done.
Me say, listen, come here. I wanna say what Jabas do over Annie. I could have caused this now. Me say, me see, me bust out the laugh. Me say, they win. Me bust out the laugh and say, they win again. Mighty God, Jabas win again and Annie win again.
All I want to can blood clot here. Me not like you, no. Me not like you. You want fling? Yes, you want fling Olivia under the bus.
Under the bus, that's true. Because Olivia tell her the truth.
You want fling Olivia under the bus because Olivia tell us. Me sit don't like hear the truth from them a long time there. And that's why me and him follow because I not like hear the blood clot truth. Although a stinky little came make me and him follow. But him don't like hear the truth for truth, certain style him don't like hear the truth.
That is Macy's biggest problem. And once you and her, once she fuck with you and you clock her, she want all of your friends and she not talk to you. You can't talk to nobody.
Mama ask you something. Mama ask you something. All I wanna big people.
She done.
No.
She the fish tank. She the fish tank done.
Yeah, but it's a serious question. I want to ask you, Turnstile, and the comment section. All I wanna pay one bills.
Me know me pay my own bill.
Oh, we not do what we feel like to do.
Me sleep on my own bed.
Oh, I wanna have one life to live.
Me have my own couch.
So why Macy try to live her life through other people?
Because she's delusional.
You want to tell big people where pay them on a bill say. Don't go penalize ya. Don't chat to she. Don't chat to him. They're not kids, we're adults.
But she, look on this. You see when she cannot do that, she go back and do the exact same thing.
And that is what me hear Olivia say.
She's a hypocrite.
Listen, you third time me hear Olivia say. You want to tell people who not supposed to talk to who, but when we look and you want destiny that can alive and talk again, how am I supposed to feel?
Yes.
And that me hear Olivia say.
She chastised you, and then she turn around and do the same thing to you. She don't fear.
Because you want to tell Angel and Olivia who not the blood clot at Panlab and talk to because of destiny and your problem, me see. When you look now, are you on destiny pan life, me dear? So how you think the people them for feel?
Like you're a child.
Everybody have big people pay who own their bills. Me pay my one, wanna pay phone one, wanna pay one mortgage, no matter. Some rent house, some own house, who pay them on a mortgage, who pay them on a rent, who pay everything for them blood clots and for the car note, everything. Why me still want to control people and tell them what to do, Turnstile, and we are all big people. Wanna make me getting on the head with this legend king and mother and respect. Me see I give nobody no respect. Me see is very disrespectful and love to bully people.
She will want the highlight and see the take you run with you, get the blood clot highlight.
Let me ask Turnstile. Turnstile.
Yeah.
You didn't know why she and Phoebe fall out?
No.
Come and tell you why.
Oh Jesus, let me draw a chair.
Yes. Phoebe Phoebe said cheese in our situation. And she put something in a cheese shop for her.
Me rascal.
Money. Phoebe use her own money, put in a cheese card. Phoebe say cheese is a woman and she have a child. And Phoebe says she don't know how it feels to have a child because she cannot bear the pain. And she just hurt her to see how a mother got through with her child. And Phoebe put $15 and it made.
So my people, we're going to watch some more of this, then we'll go over Pretti Dan and Pops YG. See?
Basically, and Phoebe fall out.
Shit! A $15 make them fall out?
$15. Macy want to chastise Phoebe because Phoebe contribute to cheese. $15.
But wait, let me ask you a question. Who when I say woman empowerment?
You know I mean I like with them people up on the internet now turnstile. How can a man that never ever feel a pain, know how it feels to be a mother, can come and tell me say woman empowerment? A man that is trying to be a female, a man that is trying to wear the wig them our Avon, a man will try to dress like our dress, a man will want breasts like we female, a man will want to take off them body and put on vagina. Can tell me anything about woman empowerment?
Look at yourself, Phoebe. Phoebe, that is woman empowerment. I don't know say you're a real woman, but me not tell her. All odds take off to you. If a $15 you contribute to cheese in her, big up yourself, Phoebe.
So in our man like that, you come tell me it's a woman empowerment. Me rather listen to blood clot you tell me say woman empowerment, not Macy Gray. Not Macy Gray. What bring down real woman and them beat me. Not Macy Gray.
It make him and Phoebe fall out.
And it, that's why I say you never know. Come and tell you why them fall out. $15. Because Phoebe said she know how it feels to be homeless in America because Macy put her up for 2 years and she know the feelings and she said should I never disrespect Macy, but she's just talking facts. With Phoebe I say you should know how it feels to be homeless in America. Now I know if you live. So if it's the cheese I got through this, she put $15 and see she get her bring down for $15.
Me bumbo clot.
And that make Macy want bring down Phoebe $15.
Macy drunk. If you make you and your girlfriend kick off because your girlfriend is support one real woman in crisis, Macy you drunk.
Me hear Olivia say Macy, you need to put out the alcohol. It's not lie. Let me tell you something. Who knows system Macy a crowd for help on the internet? Who take it as this it's like if you see Macy come here and crash out on everybody and text it on everybody, every woman, everybody. Who knows say Macy is crying out for help through the alcohol.
She's unhinged.
Macy a cry out for help through the alcohol. But who do not see that? But me sit down and see it.
Because I stay light. Look here.
I stay light, yeah, Trey.
I stay light.
Macy hide him sorrows with the drinking. Him hide him pain with the drinking. Him take out everything from the alcohol and then him come and take it out from Uno. Let me tell you something. Wanna see somebody drunk and tell you something? Time drunk but time old. When you're drunk, you can't shoot.
You said it.
Then you sing Seka. Then Pretti Dan, remember me done Richard. Look, roll it, come on.
Go on. Yo.
We are talk. Where you sip on me on? Where you sip on me on?
Pops, me have bridging where they right here, so we're rich too. Me not talk about me rich friend.
But Pretti Dan, me not gonna make Seka you, me not live my life. Me done talk already, mean it.
Alright, me have a Bridget for the live, right? Pops, me have a Bridget for the live right now. Them money are not a shooter or nothing, but you know rich out them money, dog. Them money are rich. Them money are rich, Pops.
You know how much money and pussy I don't want to talk?
No, man, them money not bring that to him, man. Them money are family, man.
So why you bring that to me? You never listen.
Because it's not.
Me never name pussy yet. And me not gonna ever do it yet.
Pussy. Me see it by your mouth. Me smell it by you. Me know other boys when me see them. Your mouth shoot out like mine.
No, you're me different. No. Look here.
No, me so pussy like that.
Do back your lips.
One time me did use a so-called cracky to me and Bowers. Big time Bowers. Big.
Yeah, but
big,
me and you different pretty done.
Me a Bowers and you, me know you, me sister you Bowers too. You
bow, pretty done, just book a ticket. Just book a ticket.
You rich and freaky.
Book a ticket. Man, take a be a airport. Cause me know it. Yo, come from the back. Pretty done. You run from the back. Pretty done. You run from the back. Run from the front. Pretty done. Me don't run the back. Pretty done. Pretty done. Stand up, let me see a pussy. Me don't run the back, I boss. Let me see a yes. If they want ban me, then blood clot ban me.
Show me that dick, sir.
I get serious.
Show me that dick. Okay?
Pretty done.
I say you hold me on the back seat. You can't fuck.
Pretty done, you hear me?
Oh, now the boy them will fuck me on the back seat never behave like that. There was
very some of them are people when I follow me right now.
You want me how you would have gone on the back seat? Because the boy them will fuck me on the back seat never go answer. Show me how you go on.
How me go on?
Yeah, because the boy them what did that mean at the back seat did that go on worse and that did not go on.
Pretty done, you hold on. Moderator block all of them people when I follow me right now. Pretty done, listen to me, I'm going to listen to me good.
Yes.
I know why you take it as no joke. You hear me I say?
Yeah, I hear you.
What make you think you get them for foreign love?
No, show me how you deal with it on the back seat for let me say yes.
No.
Daddy. Who want to see one of the daddy fuck them? Show me it, say. Let me see how, you know,